What's Netflix with VPN? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to view or watch Netflix with VPN. So first thing, just head over to your favorite browser and just search in for Netflix just like this. And once you search in for Netflix, just head over to the first link and make sure you are logged in or signed in to its account. So once you sign into your account, you should be seeing a lot of movies or TV series just like this on your account. So you might be noticing that Netflix focuses on different region or location. Based on that, they will provide a different suggestion for TV series or movies. So you might find that most of the movies which you want to see are not being shown to your account, so that because of a region restrictions. So in that case, what we can do is we can just use any of the extension or like a VPN, using a VPN extension from over your browser just like this. Let me just quickly show you. So what I will do is I'll just come over to my Chrome extension.com, which is chromewebstore.google.com. You can come over to this website and you can just come over to this section. Just press on this extension button over here and just search in for this particular VPN. You can also try it out any other VPN you like. Since it's a popular one, I will just have to use this one and just click on add to Chrome, click on add extension from over here. If you are using browser, if you are using Android devices, you can always download a VPN from the Play Store as well. So once it gets downloaded, you can directly extension bar over here, and once it is ready, you can always view and relaunch your Netflix account, and you can always view the movie or TV series which you want directly under your account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.